Okay, today is 5th April 2026, 2026, and yeah, it is Sunday. And what I can talk about is this week I didn't actually get to record any clip in gym. So yes, actually having the conversation in front of camera, in front of phone actually is also currently a part of my recording and uploading on YouTube. So today I'll be able to just talk and yeah, and likely upload this today. So what I can talk about is, I think recently I've realized that what obviously I haven't shared anything yet about what goal I'm currently working on, what is my like long term vision towards I'm working, and what like goals I have set to get to that long term vision in some years. And I think I haven't talked about my current goal, and I'll be only able to share about that goal once. I think I'll share that once I'll get to that goal, when once I'll achieve that goal, so that I'm also able to maybe share the through which process by which I was able to get to that goal. And yes, okay, about the time. The time right now is, I think it's around 2 p.m. And yes, for like last 2 to 3 days have gone haven't gone that well, and were kind of very non-productive, uh, especially till the point I'm recording right now, till 2 p.m. Like from the last, I think from Saturday morning, after I finished my gym session till right now, things haven't gone that well. It was a very non-productive time, and mostly I have just slept, and even early on struggled to sleep. So yes, this was one thing that I want to talk about. And I think after this I'll just be working on uploading this clip, which is going to be around, I think, 4 or 5 minutes long. Or and yes, so things aren't going very interesting. And recently I've also discovered that what goal I'm currently working on is actually, I think, like I've been feeling that, getting that heat of difficulty, but I think I've still got some time to before which I can still continue to work on that goal. Like I have still got time before that deadline, which is after a few months. I think I'm still not going to tell about the exact deadline that I'm thinking about, that I have set in my mind. But yes, this is again a very like, till that time I think I'll still be uploading, and still talking about things that just come to my mind. And whatever at whatever time I'll feel comfortable about what I can share, and what I cannot share. So just I'll be, till that I think everything's going to be very boring, very not so information providing things. It will be just about daily routine, daily things that I just keep on repeating the same things each day. That those are like, as in anyone's case who's going through that phase of self improvement. I don't think I like using the self improvement word that much. I just like to work. So yes, all those things: sleep, going to gym, eating according to my planned diet schedule, and yeah, working on things, studying, all that things. So till the time I reach to that deadline, and if I'm able to get to my goal, which I'll be working obviously each day to get to that goal.